Good day, my friends, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Need a balance boost for a quick purchase? This year you don't have to wait days for your money to clear. Today I'm showing you the 3 fastest ways to add funds to your PayPal account, from instant debit transfers to adding physical cash at the register. Right, and the fastest way to add money from home is using a linked debit card. So open the PayPal app or the website, and then click on Transfer Funds or Add Money. Select from your bank or debit card. Then choose your debit card and enter the amount. This year, debit transfers are instant, while standard bank account transfers take up to 3 to 5 days. And just note that PayPal usually limits debit additions to up to $5,000 per day. And now, if you have paper cash, you can digitalize it at over 90,000 stores like Walmart, CVS, or 7-Eleven. So in the app, you just tap Add Money, and select Add Cash at Stores. Then choose your retailer to generate a barcode. And you just show that barcode to the cashier and hand over the cash. And then your balance updates in minutes. And the last one we have is the direct deposit. So you can have your paycheck or government benefits sent directly to your PayPal balance, often arriving in 2 days. Alternatively, turn on auto reload in your settings. And this is how you keep your PayPal fueled up for this year. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped. See you soon, guys.